Birthing bond secrets, key terms and laws you must know before you start. Welcome back to the show. I'm Kelissa Bass. Okay, guys, before you step into this battle, you need armor. Understanding the language. If you don't know the terms, you don't know the game. And that's exactly how they trick you out of your creditor position. Today, I'm breaking down the key terms you must know before starting your birthing bond process. Let's go. Number 1. What is a birthing bond? Many of you have heard that your birth certificate is tied to a financial account. While there's truth to that, the process of reclaiming your position is complex. That's why you need to know these legal definitions before making a move. Number 2. Key terms, definitions and legal references. Strawman account. A legal fiction created in your name at birth, represented in all caps on your birth certificate. The government uses this entity to conduct business on your behalf. The law, UCC 9307H, defines the location of a debtor, which applies to artificial persons like corporations and strawman accounts. Not you, the human being. This gets deep. Chestuique v. Trust, a trust created when a person is considered lost at sea or dead in legal terms, allowing the government to manage their assets. The law, Chestuique v. Act of 1666, England, basis for legal fiction that assumes control over persons missing for 7 years or more, which is why they have to keep track of your children, because to them, that child belongs to them, an asset, and they need to make sure that you are properly managing their asset. I hope you all are getting how low down and dirty of trick this was and is to pull on the American people. Let's keep going. Treasury Direct Account, or TDA, a securities account linked to the U.S. Treasury, where financial instruments such as bonds and obligations are tracked. The law, 31 U.S.C. Section 3123, details the U.S. government's obligation to pay interest-bearing debt instruments. Authenticated birth certificate, a legal process that validates the birth certificate as a government document that can be used internationally. The law, Hague Convention of 1961, Apostille Treaty, establishes authentication procedures for government-issued documents. Bonded instrument, a financial document backed by a government bond or other security which your birth certificates and social security cards are linked to. The law, 15 U.S.C. Section 77B, defines securities and instruments under U.S. law. Secured party creditor, SPC, an individual who has reclaimed their legal status and financial rights by filing proper UCC forms. The law, UCC 1-308, allows individuals to reserve their rights without prejudice. The UCC filings, Uniform Commercial Code filings that establish a financial interest in an entity, commonly used for commercial transactions. The law, UCC-1, financing statement, used to secure an interest in collateralized property. Number 3, the biggest mistakes people make. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistakes I see people making in this process. Rushing into filings without understanding the terms, misinterpreting legal definitions, leading to costly errors, following false gurus who push misinformation for profit. Now that you have the language, you're already ahead of most people trying to figure this out, but this is just the beginning. Drop a comment below if you want me to break down more of these processes. Like, share, and follow for more hidden knowledge on government bond secrets. Stay sharp and stay empowered. See you next time.